My name is Riyad Cummings. I work for Keytronics, the locksmithing division. We specialize in key repairs as well as lost keys and spare keys for vehicles. Our range consists of vehicle keys as well as complete keys, casings, as well as key programming tools. So, for example, doing lost keys and spare keys on vehicles, as well as programming and diagnostics. The benefits of our range is we offer basically two-in-one machines. So where key programming is concerned, we offer the service of, for example, pulling passwords of vehicles, as well as programming keys, and it doubles as a diagnostic machine. So that's, for example, checking fault codes on engines, checking faults on different components of the car, as well as general diagnostics. We are very efficient, effective, and confident in our work. What makes us different from our competitors is we provide customers with the best possible client support, best possible service, and we always maintain high quality of standard when it comes to working with customers' vehicles.